Normally when we travel around we rent a scooter or a motorbike or at worst case a car to get around the local areas. This time we thought we'd go one different, live like the locals and rent a local mode of transport. So we're going to tell you how to hire, how to drive, easy way to hire and ride a tuk-tuk in Sri Lanka. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video to find out all the information that you need. So this week we have a tuk-tuk for a whole week. Lucy's loving it. The plan is to take the tuk-tuk from our accommodation in Matara, drive all the way up the coast of Sri Lanka, on the southern coast up to Colombo. Gonna take about 4 days, I guess, stopping on the way.
Welcome to our tuk-tuk.
So the company we rented the tuk-tuk from is called Tuk Tuk Hire. We looked at a few to rent the tuk-tuk from. These guys appeared to be the best, so works out about 15 to 17 US dollars per day. They organise everything. You can have the tuk-tuk delivered to your hotel in pretty much any location in Sri Lanka. So in and around the airport, Colombo, it's free collection. If you want further out, we had ours delivered to Gal, right on the south coast, and it cost $50 for a guy to deliver it. He drove it from Kandy, 9 hours, so it shows how reliable these things are. They organise the insurance, that's included in the price. The delivery, as I've just said, you will need a driving licence, Sri Lankan driving licence. You can organise that yourself and collect it yourself from the motor vehicle department when you arrive. However, it costs about $25 and they'll arrange everything. You just need to send them a copy of a passport, a WhatsApp copy of a passport and your country's driving licence. So they arrange a driving licence for you. It's valid for 3 months from the date of issue. You also get an AA membership, Automobile Association of Ceylon. If you have any problems with your tuk-tuk or breakdown, give this number a call and somebody will come and give you some assistance. All the numbers are on the back. Nice little map and audio guide and an app, free of charge, which tells you a lot about Sri Lanka and the places you can go there. The easiest way is to just grab the WhatsApp number from the website, send them a few WhatsApps, tell them what you need, and they will do everything via WhatsApp. They give you some lessons on how to drive it. Check out the video of me driving it or showing you how to drive it. Quite simple, but if you need any refreshers, there is a link in the description box below or up there somewhere on how to easily drive and master a tuk-tuk. Comes with a full tank of gas, as I've said, and good to go. They take you for a driving lesson for around 30 minutes, show you around the tuk-tuk, what all the things are for. It's a little bit tricky, you know, anything new is tricky. After 15 minutes, 20 minutes driving on your own, you get used to it and work out everything, and it's pretty much hassle-free. Videos in the description, link for all the places we visited while we're in Sri Lanka. So Marissa, Matara, Gal, Colombo, a few other places. Make sure you check them out if you plan on coming to Colombo. But fantastic. We highly recommend hiring a tuk-tuk. As I said at the beginning of the video, easily hire a scooter or a car, but this is a fun way to get around. It rained on the way here yesterday for like 2 hours. The roof on the tuk-tuk, you can put the sides down so you don't get wet. On a bike you'd be soaking, and you know, it's really easy. You can stop where you want, park anywhere. It's really safe. You can leave the tuk-tuk anywhere, and it's a great way to see the country. I wish we had longer and we do the whole country in a tuk-tuk, but make sure you hire a tuk-tuk from Tuk Tuk Hire. That's our recommendation. As I say, there's plenty more. We'll leave all the information to Tuk Tuk Hire in the description box, and give them a check out if you want to consider hiring a tuk-tuk while you're journeying in Sri Lanka.